Good morning. Fuel station, something a little different today. Not a little bit different, a lot of different. So, some of you may follow him on TikTok and follow him on YouTube. Joey Badass, Jack TV. We've been conversating back and forth on social media for probably, I don't know, years now. Probably 4 or 5 years since we both started doing YouTube. And he's crushing it. He's almost hit 30,000 subscribers. But what he does is he owns a tow company. He does, local tows, and he does repossessions. So he reached out to me and said, "Hey, I've got this gooseneck trailer that I have a repossession order on. Would you be willing to help me out? Pick it up, bring it down to me. We can collab on a video, and we can do some work together." So I said, "Sure, not a problem at all." He's been watching this trailer for a little while. It doesn't seem to be moving, so I'm gonna head up there now. It's about an hour and a half drive from the house to get up there. I'm gonna head up there now, and from Google Earth view, you can see that there's multiple trailers sitting around close to this address. So I don't know if that's just coincidence or those are part of the trailers that we're looking for, or part of the trailer that we're looking for. I did when I ran the VIN number of the trailer on Google, it actually comes back to a logistics company that had a ton of violations. So I don't know if they're out of business, but they had a ton of violations for driver not having a med card, driver not having an ELD, driver not, it's like a list of stuff. Like somebody was just operating, completely illegal. And it was the company was based out of Texas, but we're in Maryland. So the truck was stopped in Texas though for that inspection. So I don't know, we'll see what's going on. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get up there and see what we got going on. Alrighty, well, there's our repossession order on the dash, and somewhere in this general area we should have a trailer that we are going to be taking with us today. I'm gonna gear up here, put my head cam on, and let's see what we get into. Alright, so I checked the physical address of where the GPS was saying that it was, and I don't see it there, but there's a lot next door that it may be. And I saw a couple trailers, and you can see from Google Earth there's a couple trailers there, but they're Kaufman trailers. Looking for an East Texas trailer. So let me see if maybe it's hidden somewhere, because the two properties back up to each other. Let's go back here and see if it's back here. Oh, that doesn't look like a nice dog. Oh. Anybody see that dog there? Let me try walking this office here. Up for repossession.
Oh, let me call Luis.
Do you know who this gentleman is?
Rafael, no. Let me call Luis. Right?
Okay. You're good. I'm gonna check these two trailers over here because they're Do you know the owner of these two here?
No, I see that.
They just park there.
Yes, park there. Yeah.
Let me check the VIN numbers on those, but because the GPS says it's around here somewhere. Should be a VIN plates somewhere on this trailer. I don't see a VIN plate. So I notified the owner. Well, do you have the owner's number? Because I have an order for repossession here.
Well, let me just give me like few minutes. I'm gonna give him a call, but you cannot take it because it's under. You cannot just take it in my property.
Well,
that's a private. I know you doing your job. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean.
You're doing your job, but that's a private property. You cannot.
Okay.
When it's in a public place, then you can. But you know what I mean. Let me call the owner and call
give
back.
us a call back.
Sí. No puedo llevarlo porque no me el nombre es diferente por ahí. Ok, dale pues.
There's nothing back in there?
No, I don't have it.
Huh. That dog friendly?
Yeah, friendly. Yeah, no problem.
I hope so.
Draco, go inside. Go. Draco! What are you doing? Go inside.
All right, well, I guess I'll have him run the GPS again and see where she might be hiding. Do you know where any other trailers that look like that are around here? Do you see them coming in and out, or?
No, I said to you, those couple trailers come in the night time here. You parking there in the front.
I gotcha.
Yeah, maybe the GPS look around that.
Yeah, I might have him run it again and see if I appreciate it. All right, so update. They had a bunch of cars parked around me. I walked through their property, but they had those mean looking dogs. So they had a bunch of cars parked around it, but the people I was talking to, it's not theirs. They know who the guy is, but it's not their trailer. And so the cars ended up moving. It's like a daycare next to it. So I knew like there was really gonna be no like, you know, funny business out in front of a daycare, what you just assume. So I'm just waiting on the car to move, and then it's a 36-foot bumper pull, which doesn't make a difference, but that's how I was looking for the gooseneck. But the guys were nice enough to let me search around the property to, because they saw me walking around out there and somebody ended up coming out. We're good. I talked to the business owner. He says, whatever, not his trailer, not his problem. Well, here's another building. Let's see if this is it. Where's a VIN number? Give me a VIN number. Give me a VIN number. 9470 is our trailer. 2 5/16 inch bumper pull. Let me back up to this thing and I'll deal with it from there. Well, and just like that, boom, she's ours. Hooked up, 36-foot bumper pull, which is kind of some of the confusion to start with, because they had cars parked around it, and I'm looking for the neck. See, they took the ramps out, everything. Took his tag off, so maybe he knew somebody was coming for it. But it says it's a 2022. It's got good tires on it. They're a little chopped. Equalizers are probably worn out on it. It's got oil. It's got Velcro caps on it. Oil hubs. We just moved down the road here, so I can just kind of give it a once over, check tire pressures and whatnot. It's about an hour drive down to drop this off to the man himself. But we're just gonna do a little walk around, go in here and grab a drink, get this thing delivered. Yeah, I don't know if they just took the ramps or what, but we'll zip tie those closed probably, and then we'll get on the road. Easy work, and it's got a 9,000 pound, 12,000 pound winch on it. Well, nice spare tire. Not a bad little trailer if you pay for it. I just want to give a big thanks to my man Joe for letting me be a part of this today. I've always had an interest in repossessions, and didn't really take any more video. Once I arrived at his place, we cut up for an hour talking about business, talking about life, and then I went on down the road. So thanks again, man, and hopefully we can do some projects here together in the future.